Having trouble setting an alarm on Alexa? It's super simple. You can do it with just your voice. In this video, I'll show you step by step to how to set up an alarm on your Amazon Alexa device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Using the Alexa device. Open up the Alexa app on your phone. Then tap on the More icon. Here, tap on Alarms and Timers. Now tap on the plus icon to add an alarm. Set the time for your alarm by scrolling through the hour and minute options. Select the device you want the alarm to sound on. If you have multiple Alexa devices, set the repeat schedule by tapping Repeat and choosing the desired days. Choose the sound for your alarm by tapping Sound. Tap Save from the top right corner. That's how you can set an alarm on your Amazon Alexa device. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.